Would you like to go from this to Hello, my lovely lock minions, and those that are new to my channel. My name is Mfon. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. On this channel, I'm here to advise, give you tips, and guide you on how to care for your locks for you to love. Continue watching. So we're about to get into this video and we're gonna go over 4 styles on how to wear this beautiful head wrap or scarf. So style number 1. I'm gonna just take my scarf like this. I'm gonna kind of fold it in half. I'm gonna make sure my hair is towards the back. And then I'm going to place this somewhat around right here. Make sure that the scarf is even on both sides, like this. Then I'm going to tie it behind my hair like this, but I'm not going to knot it. I'm just gonna wrap it around. Then I'm going to wrap it around one more time, and then wrap it around at the end. And then I'm going to knot it with the 2 pieces that are left. Just gonna tie it in a knot, or not a knot, just tie it one time. And then I'm gonna take the material and just tuck it. Tuck it. Then I'm gonna push it back because I don't like it covering the front of my hair. And then this is style number 1. Next, style number 2. I'm going to take the scarf. And I'm going to put it over majority of my hair. Again, gonna make sure that it's even. And then I'm not gonna wrap under, I'm wrapping over on top. And this time you can tie it like so. And before you keep tying it, I like to adjust where I want my wrap. Then I can tie it a little tighter. Then I'm going to twirl each end a little bit. That's what I like. That's what I like. Then I'm going to take it over, tie it around again, and then I'm going to tuck. I'm just tucking it. Tuck. And then make sure my ears are out. Make sure this is tucked in. I move my hair to the side and I turn around. This is what it looks like in the back. If you want to, you can put it like this and turn around and boop. Style number 3. So you're going to take the scarf, make sure it's even. I'm gonna go under my hair and then I'm gonna tie it once I'm gonna pick a side that I like. So for me, my side is my right side. Then I'm going to twist like so, like a 2-strand twist, all the way until I get to the end. And just keep going till I stop. Then I'm gonna take this and wrap it around my hair, or the wrap, or the scarf, and on top of my hair. And then I'm tucking it on the side. And then there's your style number 3. Go from here. Style number 4, last one. So this one, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. So I'm gonna gather all my hair. To the front. And I'm not gonna tie, I'm only gonna tie it once. Then I'm gonna take my scarf, make sure it's somewhat even. I'm gonna start from the back this time. And when I gather the 2 ends together, I'm going to move it to the front, under my ponytail. And I'm going to tie it one time. After I tie one time, I'm going to do a 2-strand twist. All right, now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna wrap it around. Make sure I have these hairs where they need to be. Wrap it around and tuck. And then what I like to do, if you want to, you can keep the scarf like this. If you want to show your ears, I like showing my ears. I kind of move it back a little bit. And voila. Wow, thanks for staying and watching 4 ways to style a wrap with your locks. If you enjoyed what you watched, click over here and watch some more similar videos on my channel. Wait, but let me tell you something. Come here. Come here. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.